Back to another minty food review. Today I'm reviewing bowling alley funnel cake. Yeah. Okay, so anyway, the funnel cake. Anyway, the funnel cake. Did I get the camera foggy? Okay, good. Anyway, the funnel cake is here's the funnel cake. Let me eat it. I'm gonna take a piece off because if I took the bite out of the thing, that'd be gross because there's other people here that might eat the funnel cake. Have common courtesy, losers. Anyway, here's the funnel cake. It's pretty sweet.
You gotta like the food.
Don't talk to me. I'm doing a food review. I'm doing a food review. Shut up.
I'm trying to help you. Constructive criticism.
Anyway, back to me eating. Pretty good. Give it 8 out of 10. I'm not sure if I even had funnel cake before, but this is pretty good. Anyway,
Here you go.
now to me bowling.
Why is there shit on your pants?
It's all the powder from that funnel cake.
It's all over you.
Yeah, it is.
What is this? Thank God it only took him an hour.
Did you play Hey There Delilah?
No, I didn't do it.
Oh, I thought you added it.
No.